Incredible, fantastical. Come ride the Very Airy Library.
Welcome to the Very Airy Library.
Wow, it's awesome.
And it flies?
Each week,
Hey,
there's a
Mr.
new
Stan.
journey from a permanent author.
What is this place?
A few friends
You're
with us,
staying?
we about to travel along before.
Welcome, tiny human.
Ride the magical,
man.
incredible, fantastical. Come ride the Very
Young authors located.
I think we're ready to go. Are you sure about this, Philo? I've never heard of a strawberry burrito before.
You gotta trust me, Stan. It's just like my Nana used to make. Almost.
Almost.
Well, I couldn't get fresh strawberries, so I used tofu. But I sprinkled it with strawberry pixie sticks. Give it a try.
How bad could it be? Really bad.
I believe that burrito would benefit mightily from some fresh strawberries.
Maybe we can grow our own strawberries.
Grow them? I don't have that kind of patience. I want strawberries now.
Fresh fruits and vegetables just don't appear out of nowhere. Quality takes time. And whatever this is, needed more time.
Nana would be so ashamed.
It's okay. I think I know someone who could help. Hey, Shannon, good to see you again.
Hi, Stan.
Come on in. Welcome to the Very Airy Library. What do you
This
think?
place is amazing.
Oh, I'm so glad you like it. Wow. Was it hard to find?
Oh, well, actually it was. I rely heavily on my GPS, and when I plugged in Purple Poplar Forest, it didn't pop up.
Oh no, we gotta update that in GPS.
No, Stan. We don't want that octopus salesman finding us again. He's so pushy with all those arms.
So Shannon, how did you get here?
Oh, well, there was this lady.
Lady?
Goggles.
Goggles?
Small plane. And she flew me here.
That must have been the Antiquarian. Thank you, Auntie, wherever you are.
So you said you have a problem?
Well, Philo has been working on her Nana's famous strawberry burrito recipe.
Strawberry burrito?
Yeah, and it's not good.
I heard that.
Busted.
So Philo's been trying to get her hands on some fresh strawberries.
Oh,
But she's not patient enough to plant them and wait for them to grow.
oh, the old I want what I want when I want it problem.
You already know.
I can relate sometimes.
Instant gratification.
I'm really good at waiting.
That's not true. You open the microwave before you even press start.
Yeah, 'cause I'm hungry and I can't wait. Oh, busted.
Stan, in my book, I Love Strawberries, Jolie, the main character, wants to grow her own strawberries. She realizes how much time and responsibility and patience it takes to grow your own food. And as a matter of fact, as you're growing them, you have to water them and weed them. Then once they're ready and ripe, you have to harvest them. There's a lot of work.
That sounds like the exact lesson we need to learn.
For sure.
Wait, Shannon, I have an idea. What if we took the Very Airy Library to a real strawberry farm?
Wait a minute. This thing flies?
Oh yeah, it does.
Then why didn't you pick me up?
That was fun.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
We'll give you a ride home after we're done this time.
Thank you.
All right, let's go. Hey, Miss Sydney. Hey, how are you? Doing good. Thanks for the ride.
Of course.
Welcome to Southern Bell Farm. Appreciate y'all being here today.
Nice to meet you.
Absolutely. Good to meet y'all as well.
Man, you have a beautiful farm here.
Well, thank you. It's going to be a great day.
I'm looking forward to learning more about strawberries.
Looking forward to sharing with you.
So, Farmer Carter, how many acres do you have here at the farm?
So the farm itself is 350 acres.
Wow. How many of those acres are dedicated to strawberries?
So for strawberries alone, there's about 14 acres, and that's actually about 200,000 plants in there.
Oh, wow. That's a lot of
That's
strawberries.
a lot of strawberries, wow.
So, how do you plant all of these strawberries?
So we start in October planting our strawberries, and that's all done by hand. We have a great team of folks that help us each year to make that possible, so we're very thankful for that.
That's a lot of work.
A lot of work. So what does it take for the plant to grow strawberries?
As we've been out here, you probably noticed the black plastic, what we call plastic mulch,
Yeah.
that their plants are coming out of. There's some dirt under that mulch, and there's also a drip tube, what we call a drip tape under there, and that helps deliver all of the water, the nutrients that the plants need to survive and thrive in this environment here in Georgia.
Yeah, and I saw some honeybees flying on the plant as well.
Absolutely. So honeybees are very vital to what we do here at the farm, and you'll see those honeybees on the strawberry blooms. And they help pollinate those blooms so that the strawberry will take nice form. If they don't, they'll look kind of weird. But after the blooms happen, there's about 28 days later that we'll see a red juicy strawberry.
Wow, 28 days.
So then once they're the red juicy strawberry, how do you harvest them?
So yes, I mean, as you come out here in the field, you'll see all different stages of strawberries. I mean, you see the bloom to small green berries, to light green berries, to kind of pink berries. But what we say here at the farm is what you're looking for is that peak ripeness happens when the strawberry is red, and we say the redder the better.
The redder the better. I think we should go and pick some strawberries, and can we eat them?
Absolutely. It wouldn't be right if you didn't.
All right, let's
Yum.
do it. Yeah.
There are some blossoms and some unripe strawberries. This one's just about ripe. Oh, here's a red one.
Wow, I think we are done.
That's
Nice
pretty
job.
full bucket.
Full bucket, and they look delicious.
They do.
I think we should try a couple. What do you think?
I think we need a sample.
The redder the better, they say.
Yes.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh my goodness.
So good.
So good.
I think these might be really good in those strawberry burritos.
I think they're gonna be perfect in those strawberry burritos.
Just try it, Stan.
All right, here goes nothing. That was definitely worth the wait.
Stan, thank you for bringing back those fresh strawberries. I know for a fact that this tastes exactly like Nana used to make.
How about next time we go to the burrito farm? Yummy beans.
Today we learned that fruits and vegetables just don't appear. They take farmers, sunshine, rain, honeybees, care.
And a whole lot of patience.
That's right. That's it for today, friends. Always remember to be kind and never judge a book
Or a creature.
by their cover. See you next time, friends.
Let's go grow some strawberries. Look for I Love Strawberries at a bookstore near you.